Alright, so what we can see from the results of the MATLAB figure for the RC circuit time response, we're plotting it for 10 seconds, and what we can see with data points 1 through 3 is that they create a step function, and that the curves for both the 10 kilo ohm and 100 kilo ohm resistor test the theoretical response for these two resistors in their circuit. Alright, so this is our Arduino code. So first off, we are declaring all the variables. Towns C for the capacitor need to be floats because they're decimal values. And we have in our setup, we have declared the digital and analog pin as 5 and 8 3 respectively. Our digital output will be set to 0 as low in the beginning and delayed for 5 seconds. And then we are using a while loop for this next part because while we are less than 10 tau for our time, we are going to read pin A3 and A5, and the while loop allows us to incorporate the other delay, tau over 50, once we are greater than 10 tau. So this is my processing part of the code. First off, we went ahead and changed the baud rate as it says to do so in the first part because we had to match what our Arduino code was. And then we had to add the lines and text to make it look like it does in the lab guidelines. So basically, we had to go to the draw loop and add these lines, and the dimensions are based on Y0 being on the top. And if you'll look at the serial reading, the lowest Y coordinate is 550. So we were able to find the coordinates. And line allows us to draw the lines. Text allows us to draw the 0 through 5 volts and position them as according to the X and Y coordinates. And we changed text size and fill to make it black and bigger. And then for the legend, we had to make the text size a little bit smaller. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller here. And we had VN was our red ellipse, so we had that red ellipse filled 25500, and V out was the green ellipse, and that is running right here. So this is my MATLAB code for the analysis of the RC circuit. So basically, this is for the 10 kilo ohm resistor as I changed here, and we have changed the Y components of our axis to be in volts by multiplying by 5 by 2 to the 8th, which is 1024. So converting that from the code to the voltage. And as we can see here, our output looks like this. And as you can see here, this is when I changed my resistor to the 100 kilo ohm resistor, and we've also changed the file because we updated the Arduino file. We had to change the value of the resistor in that as well, and you can see our output looks like this for the 10 kilo ohm resistor.